When you think of the word drone, what is the first thing that comes to mind? Personally, I think about these machines that fly around in the area that can record everything happening on the ground. Drones, which are also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, are a form of aircraft that does not have individuals on board, such as a plane. It does not have a pilot, any crew, or any passengers on board. Drones are operated by an individual on the ground, either by their phone or a small device that is connected to that one drone. The original drone was surprisingly created to help the military, but with improvements made in technology, normal people like us can buy a drone. Every person does use a drone differently. Some use it for photography, finding people or animals on land, delivering products, and even drone racing. In Canada itself, there are no laws preventing the use of drones, but they do advise flyers to check with any regulation before use. Believe it or not, Canadian companies got the idea to scan the area for agricultural purposes from a commercial company called Caspi Films. Caspi Films had been filming Toyota commercials on Canadian land for years and influenced industry groups to use drones. The use of these drones would firstly allow farms to study their lands, to properly survey their lands, and determine the best way to treat their lands. It would show them which parts of their land needs attention and which areas need to be picked at prime picking time. Secondly, the use of these drones could help individuals study wildlife in the area. It would show them which animals gravitate towards which areas and provide them with the information they would need. Only if they would travel to the area, that information would be provided to them. The use of drones are also appearing in ways such as delivering products. Companies such as Amazon have explored the use of using drones for delivering packages. While the use of these drones for these purposes could only travel but so far due to battery life, this does take away jobs in the company such as delivery. The good thing for these companies, though, are that more employees are working in their warehouses to increase their productivity rates. There are many issues that could arise from using these drones, such as packages getting delivered to the wrong spot, the drones dying before getting to the required location, weight limits, and weather issues. But these issues arose when delivery drivers were first introduced. And with the advancements in technology that are being made, these issues would slowly dissolve over time. Now, here's a little 2 truths and a lie for you. Get your thinking caps on and good luck. 1, there are no regulations for any sort of drone use. Any drone that is flying in the sky is being tracked by the government at all times. Or 3, Canada does have limits on how high up drones can fly. And the lie is, number 1, you actually must get an FAA drone license if you're using a drone for revenue or to make any money or advancements in your business. You do not have to get one if it is for recreational use.